Welcome to Feral Equipment. Hi guys, my name is Brendan with Feral Equipment and Supply, and today I'm here with Bill. Bill, thanks for coming today, appreciate it.
Good to see you.
And we're going to be talking about this new Smith sprayer. We actually just started carrying this here at Feral Equipment. And Bill, why don't you go over some of the differences that this Smith sprayer has versus some of the other competitors on the market like Chapin and things like that?
Sure. Okay, well the first thing you'll notice on here is that it's a stainless steel sprayer versus the red sprayers or blue sprayers that you have. So what that's telling you, it's a stainless steel sprayer versus a galvanized sprayer that you currently have right now, or galvanized steel sprayer. Okay. So that is just paint on the outside, but then what Chapin does is they use a tri-epoxy coating on the inside of their sprayers to prevent the corrosive materials from deteriorating that galvanized steel. Our sprayer is stainless steel on not only the outside but also on the inside as well. So when you look inside here, the pump itself is stainless steel. The interior is stainless steel as well, as is the dip tube. So you don't have any of the corrosiveness that you're going to be able to get, that you're getting with the Chapin sprayer. So that's one big selling feature that we have. Okay. Plus it looks cool, you know, compared to the red sprayers. The other big feature that we have is that we have a pressure relief on here as well. So when these units are under pressure, they can be very hard to open up. You end up really cranking on this handle to open this thing up, and you end up tearing that top seal, this Viton seal on here. So by able to relieve that pressure on here, it prevents whatever the product or solution is you have inside here of spritzing out on you, and plus it also takes that pressure off of that seal. So it'll prolong the seal as well. Okay. We use a quad lock system versus Chapin's tri-lock system. There's 3 points that Chapin uses for their locking system. Ours has 4 points of pressure on here as well.
Kind of what you can see here.
Yeah. Theirs is a very good system. We just didn't want to copy it identically, so we just took it one step further, giving you 4 points of pressure versus 3 points of pressure. So that simply just locks into place, give it a twist, and crank it down. Like so. Great. Also, we have a wand holder that is actually tacked onto place here, where Chapin's is they have like a saddle, a plastic saddle that has a tendency to fall off. So ours is secured into place there better than what you have on the Chapin sprayer. Another big feature that we have with ours is that we have a 50-inch hose versus a 48-inch hose. Doesn't sound like much, but the nice thing about our hose is that this is a synthetic rubber that we use on here with a nylon lining to it that keeps the thing flexible, where it doesn't want to crack or get brittle on you like what your current line does. We also, with our shutoff has a more ergonomic feel to it as well versus the Chapin sprayer. In addition to that, we also put an inline filter inside of this handle. So if you're spraying high solids materials like a white pigment or some of the high solids acrylic sealers that you have right now, if it clogs up, you're able to clean that out of this little filter right here. This comes out.
It's just that little guy right there.
This little guy right here. These cost about 60 cents a piece. So they're a very, very, inexpensive item to repair or to replace. Clean that out with a little bit of xylene and you're good to go once again. So this is a feature that you do not have with the Chapin sprayers as well.
Sounds like a great addition.
It has been. It's been doing very well for us. We use a 24-inch wand, just the same as what Chapin does, but our gauge of brass that we use with the sprayer is a little bit heavier than what you're going to get with the Chapin as well. It also comes with a 95-degree tip and a 110-degree tip, which means a half gallon or a gallon a minute. So you have the options depending on what it is that you're spraying. Okay. Cost-wise, we come in very competitive to what you do on the Chapin side. We're a couple dollars cost more than what you have with Chapin, but with the features and benefits that we have, again, stainless steel inside and outside, pressure relief that we have on here, a wand holder, you got the inline filter that you have inside here. These are all features that you do not have on the Chapin side.
Gotcha. Well, it's a beautiful unit, and you can definitely tell it's made with care and quality. So we do have these available right now at all of our locations. So stop into Feral Equipment if you're interested in the Smith sprayer. Our sales reps would gladly be able to show you the features up close and in person. Bill, thanks again for coming and talking to us about the products you have available. We definitely appreciate it.
Thank you.
My name is Brendan from Feral Equipment, and we'll see you on the next video.